Okay, I have one of my clients in the salon today just for a little touch-up. The original procedure was done when? 2016?
It's been a while.
4 years ago,
Yeah.
right? It became a part of you, right?
I love it. Yes, I love it. It's been probably a couple years since we've done a touch-up. And I don't even really need a touch-up. I just want it to be fresh. You know,
Yeah,
I think it looks amazing still.
It's looking good. It's blending nicely. I'm just gonna take a little close-up. So this is how it looks like. Done 4 years ago. Last touch-up over 2 years ago. We're just gonna do a nice fresh layer today. And probably good for another 2-3 years.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.